Hey everyone, it's that Math Magician. On this video, we're going to take another look at angles, and we're going to look at some more complementary angle examples so you can get through your classwork, your homework, prepping for your quiz, whatever you're doing at home. I want to make sure you have a good example of how to solve for an unknown angle in a complementary right angle. So let's go ahead and look right at our example problem that we have here. Notice that I have a 90-degree right angle. That 90-degree right angle is being formed by the angle TUV. I know that angle TUV equals 90 degrees because of that little box there in the angle. That box indicates that this angle is 90 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and just write that out so I have that for my reference. That the measure of angle TUV equals 90 degrees. That is our right angle. That is our complementary angle. Now, we're looking through there and we're noticing that our 90-degree angle is being split into two different pieces. Notice that I have two parts here. I have angle TUW, which is 56 degrees. And then I also have angle WUV, which equals 3x plus 7. Notice on that bottom angle there, I don't know the value of the entire angle. There's a variable in there. It's 3x plus 7. So I'm probably, for this problem, going to want to solve for x. And I think we can solve for x knowing our facts about complementary angles. Remember that these two different angles here, TUW, which is highlighted in green, and angle WUV, highlighted in blue, those two angles are complementary. They add to 90 degrees. They form our right angle. So I'm going to go ahead and just write that out so we're aware of what we're doing. We have the measure of angle TUW plus the measure of angle WUV. We know that together that's going to form our 90-degree right angle. I'll go ahead and even mark it. Now here's the part where we want to substitute in the values of those angles that we know. We know that the measure of angle TUW, well, that is 56 degrees. And we also know that the value of our bottom blue angle ends up being 3x plus 7. And we know together that those two angles, when we add them, they're going to form our 90-degree right angle. And look what I have there. I have an equation with one variable that we can definitely solve to find what x equals. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and combine my like terms. So it looks like I have 3x plus, well, let's see, 56 plus 7 is going to add up to 63 degrees, which is going to still equal 90 degrees. Just working through, trying to get x by itself. I think I can subtract 63 degrees on both sides. By doing that, the ones on the left-hand side are going to cancel out, and I'm just left with 3x. It's going to equal 90 minus 63 degrees. I think that's going to leave us with 27 degrees. We almost know what x is. To get x, I just got to divide by the coefficient of 3. Doing that makes the 3's on the left-hand side cancel to 1. So now we're left with x equals 27 degrees divided by 3. I know that x equals 9 degrees. Perfect. We solved for our variable, but we did not actually solve this problem yet. I still want to find out what my missing blue angle is, WUV. I don't know what that entire angle equals. I do know that x equals 9 degrees, but I still have this expression 3x plus 7. So to figure out what that equals, I just have to substitute back in that x equals 9 into my expression to find out what that bottom angle equals. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and write a little equal sign here. I know I'm going to have 3 times my value for x. In this case, it was 9 degrees. And then I'm going to need to add 7. Well, let's see. 3 times 9 is 27. And 27 plus 7 is going to give me a value of 34 degrees. And that makes sense to us. Because 34 degrees plus 56 degrees does in fact equal our 90-degree right angle. This is a great example problem to show you how you can solve for this missing variable only by understanding that those two angles are complementary and they form our 90-degree right angle. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.